Good morning, everyone. Once again, warm welcome to our online platform for the student of life science Botany for you. On the occasion of 3 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF preparation in life science part 5 scheduled from 23rd to 25th October of 2020. Myself, Mr. Shubham Ashukrao Rathod, pioneer member of Botany for you and working as an assistant professor at Department of Botany in Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science College, Akola. Respected speakers, respected Dr. Pitambar Humne sir, founder of Botany for You online platform, and all the respected founder members of this online platform Botany for You, Dr. Nishikant Vase sir, Dr. Nitin Labhane, Dr. Tushar Wankade sir, Dr. Deepak Kochi sir, and respected teachers in the life science from various colleges of the India, research scholars and my dear students. Through this online workshop, we are sincerely trying to make available the informative and quality based lecture for you. All the videos, lectures of previous workshop have uploaded on our YouTube channel of Botany for You. I hope that will be very helpful to qualify CSIR UGC NET, JRF and LS examination and also to understand the topics from CSIR UGC NET syllabus. At first day of this 3 days national workshop, the first lecture will be delivered by Dr. Pitambar Humne sir. He is Associate Professor and Head at Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur. Sir is also founder of Botany for You online platform. Sir has published 15 research papers in different journals and also have published 2 books. His topic for today's session is Problems on Pedigree Analysis. The second lecture will be delivered by Dr. Devi Chinmayi Madam. She is Assistant Professor at Department of Botany in Sri Ayyappa College for Women, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Madam has published 28 research papers in various journals and also published 1 book. Today, she is going to deliver the lecture on bioremediation. The third lecture of today's session will be delivered by Dr. Abhimanyu Maheshwari sir. He is Assistant Professor at Department of Botany in Bajaj College of Science, Varda. Dr. Abhimanyu Maheshwari sir was University first merit in their master's degree and also qualified CSIR NET in the lecturership category with All India rank 39 in June of 2014. Sir also qualified IIT GATE examination. Sir has published 10 research papers and his topic for today's lecture is membrane transport proteins. The last lecture of today's session will be delivered by Dr. Praveen Bankar, Assistant Professor in Postgraduate Institute of Veterinary and Animal Science, Akola, Maharashtra. He has published 14 research papers and 3 books. Today he is going to deliver lecture on genetic diversity of indigenous germplasm. In second day on dated 24th November of 2020, the first lecture will be delivered by Dr. Ujjwala Lande Madam. She is Assistant Professor at Department of Zoology in Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. She is also pioneer member of Botany for You online platform. Madam has published 2 research papers. She will be delivered tomorrow's lecture on the topic Life History Strategy R&K Selection. Then second lecture of tomorrow's session will be conducted by Mr. Shilananda Vittalrao Hivrade. He is assistant professor at Department of Botany in Vinayak Vignan Mahavidyalaya, Nandgaon Khandeshwar, District Amravati, Maharashtra. Sir has published 2 research papers and also pursuing their PhD. Hivrale sir has qualified CSIR UGC NET JRF several times and also IIT GATE ASRB NET and Maharashtra SET examination. He was also worked as director of HISTA, that is Hivrale Institute of Science and Technical Activity for Life Science students. Today's topic of his lecture is photorespiration. The third lecture will be delivered by Mr. Bharat Raghunath Nagre sir. He is assistant professor at Department of Botany in Sri Shivaji Arts, Commerce and Science College, Akot, District Akola, Maharashtra. He has qualified ASRB NET and Maharashtra SET examination and also pursuing their PhD. And topic for his lecture on this workshop is secondary metabolites. The last lecture of tomorrow's session will be delivered by Dr. P. Manogar. He is assistant professor at Department of Botany in Nehru Memorial College, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. He has published 15 research papers in various journals. He will be delivered their lecture for this 3 days workshop on the topic Indian case study on conservation and management strategy. At third and last day of this 3 days national workshop on dated 25th November of 2020, the first lecture will be delivered by Dr. Sunita Panikar. She is working as assistant professor at Department of Microbiology, Sant Gadgebaba Amravati University, Amravati, Maharashtra. She has published 15 research papers and also published 2 books. Topic for their lecture for this national workshop is molecular cloning of DNA or RNA fragments in bacterial and eukaryotic system. The second lecture of this last day session will be delivered by Dr. Kapil Kamble sir. He is associate professor at Department of Microbiology in Sant Gadgebaba Amravati University, Amravati. He has published 25 research papers and 1 book. 2 students is awarded for PhD under his supervision and also major research project sanctioned by Government of Maharashtra conducted by him. He will deliver their lecture on the topic gene expression. The third lecture will be delivered by Dr. Ganga Ji. She is assistant professor at Department of Microbiology, Sri Ayyappa College, Iramallikara, Chenganur, District Allappuzha, State, Kerala. She has published 12 research papers and 1 book also published by her. Her topic for this workshop is plant microbes interaction. The last lecture of this 3 days national workshop will be delivered by Mr. Rahul Dilip Javde. He is research scholar at Department of Botany in Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati. He completed their master's degree in 2017 and he has also qualified CSIR UGC NET JRF exam with All India rank 101 in July of 2017. Now he is pursuing their PhD. He will deliver their lecture on the topic gene silencing. The concluding program of this 3 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF and LS preparation will be done by valedictory remark of Dr. Rupali Sirsat Madam. She is pioneer member of Botany for You and assistant professor at Department of Botany in Sri R.G. Rathod Arts and Science College, Murtizapur, District, Akola. Thank you very much.